Stark State College Massage Therapy Lab Notes with Michael Vahila, licensed acupuncturist and licensed massage therapist. Muscle energy technique, we're going to be applying this to the quadriceps. Now you don't see the quadriceps here because she's prone, but so muscle energy technique is called that because it uses the patient's own muscular energy to resist contraction, and it's designed to restore muscles to their normal resting length. It's not a stretch, it's a neurological feedback loop that allows this restoration. So here's her range of motion on her quadriceps. So it's the quadriceps I'm starting to feel some resistance right about there. Is that a little bit uncomfortable, Maria? Or do you just feel the tightness there? Now just as a measurement, I'm just going to put my hand here, and we can see we have a little over a hand width from her ankle to her glutes. So the first type of muscle energy technique we're going to demonstrate is called post-isometric relaxation. So let's define that word. Post means after. Isometric is she's going to contract without any change in length of the muscle, and then it will relax more afterwards. So I've gone to the barrier, and I'm just going to come back a little bit off of that. Now, what I want you to do, Maria, is I want you to resist my pressure. So I'm going to try to push down into your hip, but I want you to resist that. Use about 25% of your strength, and we're going to do that for 10 seconds. So go ahead, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. And just relax your leg, and again, just allow me to go as far as I comfortably can. I usually do this without looking, so I don't in any way try to manipulate or force the results. Okay, so that's where I am after the first attempt. Whereas before her heel was not touching my finger, it now is. Let's back off again and do that again. So press into my hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. And again, just let me comfortably bring your leg down to wherever I can without, if it gets to discomfort, you let me know. Right there. Okay, so a tiny bit more into my fingers, and one more time, press into my hand. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax, and just completely relax, and just allow me to go as far as I can without strain. Okay, right there I feel some resistance. So now notice where her heel is relative to my hand. I'm about, actually a little bit more than a finger width down. So that moved about an inch more. So before she was here, afterwards she was about an inch closer to her glutes, meaning the quadriceps that was restricting that motion down has lengthened that much. But it lengthened not in response to just brute force of pressing. She was applying a counter force against my hand. She was extending her quadricep. And so what was happening is the quadricep was doing that isometric contraction. It was contracted, but it wasn't moving because I was preventing the movement. Then when it relaxed and we rechecked the length, and you notice it just went down maybe 1/4 of an inch the first time and 1/4 of an inch the second time. Felt like I got maybe 1/2 an inch the last time. So usually you'll repeat that technique 3 times. It can be applied to any muscle group, but you just have to figure out how can I get a muscle to its resting length where there's a restriction, and then get it to contract, and then recheck the resting length.